Today I'm going to be reviewing a new product which will be coming out on July 1st of 2019. This product is called the DFY Hero. What this product does is it will give you 100 done-for-you websites, sales pages, squeeze pages, ecom stores, and blogs, which you can simply activate. You can edit the templates. You can even sell to your clients for huge profits. Or you can keep the templates and make websites for yourself to sell your own product. So exactly what does this software do? Well, DFY Hero is a software platform. It comes with 100 completely done-for-you websites, sales pages, squeeze pages, ecom stores, and blogs. What you do is you take the template, you pick the template you want, and all you have to do is import and edit the information. You can put in anything you want as far as blogs, and then there are placeholders for your client's specific pages, like contact pages and about pages, and there are placeholders for images as well. These websites are fully populated websites which can be used for business owners. They have everything you need in there to actually customize them and create a beautiful website in a very short period of time. You do not have to code. You do not have to design. You can create lead capture pages, download pages, all sorts of pages where you just put in your own opt-in codes and download links or affiliate links or links to your own product if you're selling your own products. And you have a beautiful website on which to do this. You've got 100 different alternatives to pick from, so it will be very simple to figure out exactly what's appropriate for you or for your client. There is no hosting because it's hosted for you by DFY Hero. You do not even need to buy a domain name. They will assign a domain name to you as well. So this is something which struggling newbies can easily and quickly get started online building websites to sell for their clients, or import the information that's necessary and publish your own website with your own links on there. So DFY Hero will enable you to create unlimited, there is no limit, stunning websites without writing a single line of code and without hiring expensive designers. Now, just to let you know what this business is like, take a look at Fiverr. I did a search on Fiverr and I just put in build websites to see what people are charging to build websites for you. So let's take a look randomly. Here's somebody who'll build a website for $75. These are their base prices, by the way. $250, $55, $90, $195, $50, $30, $200 for a website. Now look at this. He's got a 5.0 rating, which is the highest rating, 5 stars. He's created 298 websites. Let's say make it 300 websites at $200 a pop. This gentleman has earned $60,000 just from Fiverr creating websites. $60,000 just for creating websites. Now take a look at this one. This one is $5. So this guy is actually pretty smart. I'll tell you why. He's got a 5.0 rating, which means he's got a lot of satisfied customers, but he's only done 13 websites. So what he's doing is he's starting at a very low price to build up his reviews. Once he gets reviews, he will raise that price. But I'd like to show you what he's doing. We're going to click. This is his page. This is that same fellow. Look here. For $5, which is the price that you just saw, he'll give you the basic service, which is a WordPress installation. All he's doing is installing WordPress on your domain, which you can do yourself. But he's doing that for $5. But here's the kicker. If you want the standard, which is the next step up, that's 2 to 5 pages on a website, he's going to charge you $150, from 5 to $150. If you want the premium, which is 8 to 12 pages, it will now cost you $250. So you see that there is definitely a business that can be created by doing websites, creating websites for third parties. Now here's a video. You can take a look at this video. It gives you a demo of exactly how this software works and how simple it is to use. And incidentally, you have a choice of languages here. You're not restricted to only using English. So, for example, if you have a CPA product, and many of the CPA networks have products which are specific to specific countries. You can only run them in certain countries. Well, if you don't know the language for that country, you're going to be out of luck because you can't produce a website. But if you can choose a language, you can pick the language for that specific country and produce a viable website right away, and you can put your links in there and start selling in a foreign country. That's how easy it is. And that's also a service you can offer to a clientele. And can you imagine what you can charge to tell an American client that you'll be happy to create a website for him in German or Spanish? There would be a premium there. So let's take a look at some of the top-end features of this software. Well, first of all, it's extremely easy to use. It's a one-touch website installer. You pick the template that you want. They've got a bunch of templates there. You can certainly pick a template that's going to be necessary for your specific needs, and you can create a premium website right away. It's also fully mobile responsive. Now today, more than 50% of searches are done by mobile devices. So if you do not have mobile responsive pages and people can't find you on their mobile devices, you'll be out of luck. But these pages are all mobile responsive. That's all handled for you. You do not have to worry about a thing. There is a training module for everything. You are not left out in the dark, and you won't be left with a bunch of questions. You can go through the training for every step. You can take care of this 1, 2, 3 because everything is going to be explained to you. There are instant real-time updates. If you make a change on the website and you want to see what it looks like, you can view it instantly. If you don't like it, you can change it and view your change instantly. There is no waiting around. They've also created very high converting landing and sales page templates for you. These have been tested out. They're fully optimized and designed to bring you very crazy high conversions. You don't have to create anything. You don't have to code anything. You have it right there waiting for you. There's an extensive template library. You can find a template to meet any need that you possibly have. The dashboard is very powerful, but it's very easy to use. Even a beginner can use this dashboard and be designing websites very, very quickly. As I mentioned before, there are no design, coding skills needed. Anybody can use this software. The newest newbie can use this software. You do not have to be technical to do this. Your pages are hosted for you by the DFY Hero people, and there's a domain included. You do not need to pay for even a domain. No hosting, no domain costs. And this is very affordable pricing. We'll get to that in a minute. So you can buy this software for a very, very inexpensive price, and you can probably earn double or triple the cost on your first day doing this for a client. So what do you get? You get a complete package, over 100 done-for-you instant pre-built money-making assets. Those are the websites. The upfront product is the 100 website templates. It goes from $21.95 to $47. $21.95 is for 20 website templates. The $47 is for 100 website templates. My recommendation is you go for the 100 at $47. You can make that back really fast based on the pricing you just saw on Fiverr. Now you have an agency license and monetization training and an agency startup kit. If you want to sell these websites for clientele, they've got you covered for this first upsell. There's complete monetization training, tells you how to go about finding customers. There's an agency startup kit. Everything is laid out for you step by step if you want to go about selling these websites that you've created, and you should do that. That's where you're going to make some serious money right off the bat. There is a template club if you wish to join it. It costs $17 a month, and that will give you 10 new templates every single month. So if you go through the 100 that they give you and you want more, you can join their template club. And then finally, the third upsell is a reseller license. This license gives you the right to resell the DFY Hero software as your own. You can keep 100% of whatever you charge for that software. And incidentally, after the launch, the price will go up. So the $97 is an annual fee. If you want to buy this for just to sell it for a year, it costs you $97. The lifetime reseller license is $297. You get that for a lifetime. And again, based on what you can sell these websites for, these prices are extremely reasonable. Now, in addition to what the vendor is giving you, I also have my own exclusive bonuses. These bonuses are exclusive to me. You can get them if you buy the product through my link. If you do that, you will get these bonuses. They're exclusive to me. I developed them myself for you. You will not find them anywhere else. So bonus number one. Bonus number one is how to get higher Google rankings in 2019. This is a new checklist. You need to get your content ranked. It makes no difference how beautiful your content is or how informative and educational it is if nobody sees it. This tutorial will show you how to get ranked higher in Google, and it's updated for 2019. Bonus number two is SEO for beginners. This will give you 3 powerful SEO tips to rank number 1 on Google in 2019. Again, if you rank number 1 on Google, statistics say you will get 40 to 50% of all the clicks on that search. So you really want to get ranked number 1 on Google. That is the place to be. Bonus number 3 is the advanced keyword research tutorial. This is a 5-step blueprint. Keyword research is crucial. You need to find the keywords for which you can rank. You really want to look for keywords that have low competition but a fairly high search volume because they're easier to rank for. If you try to rank for the most competitive keyword, you will have a difficult time going up against some of the big boys who have been ranked for years. You may never get ranked. But if you can find the right keywords to get ranked for, you can get ranked quickly, and you can get ranked number 1 because of low competition for that keyword. Bonus number 4 is content creation strategies. How to create content online. Your content has to be informative, it has to be enticing, it has to keep your readers involved. And if it does that, your reader will not only stay on your website reading your content, but they will continue to come back to your website to look for more content. So the goal is to give them excellent content that will be enticing and keep bringing them back for more. Bonus number 5 is how to write a perfect blog post in 1 hour. Now, if you want to write a blog post from scratch, you're going to be doing the researching, you're going to be doing the writing, and you're going to be doing the formatting. If you want to write a 1,500 word or 2,000 word blog post, it can easily take you a day to do that. This software, this tutorial will show you some steps how you can cut that time down and still write a very beautiful, perfect blog post, but do it in much, much less time. And then finally, bonus number 6. Bonus number 6 will tell you what you do not want to do. Everybody focuses on the things that you should be doing, but you can hurt yourself badly by doing things that you should not be doing. This tutorial will tell you the 10 things not to do when you're starting a blog, keeps you out of harm's way, and makes sure that your blog stays ranked. So once again, if you'd like to purchase your very own copy of the DFY Hero software and get my exclusive bonuses, you can click on any of the links on these pages. In addition, you can also click on this link here to get the DFY Hero and the exclusive bonuses. This link will appear in the description below the video. And if you'd like to see my review page, you can also click on this link, which will be seen and shown in the description below the video. So click on these links and get your hands on this product, and you can begin creating websites and selling them off and creating a very lucrative business for yourself without a lot of hard work. Best of luck to you.